Hello. Today we introduce the Smart Carbon Monoxide Detector PNI Safehouse HS281. Inside, we find the detector, mounting screws, and the user manual. The detector runs on two AA batteries, already installed. Just remove the protective strip. Once powered, the unit starts automatically. Press the test button to make sure it works. Open the Tuya Smart app, the platform that lets you control the detector remotely. Select Add Device to add a new device. From the list, manually choose CO Sensor, Wi-Fi. Follow the connection steps, enter the Wi-Fi password, and the app searches for the device and connects it automatically to the network. The process takes only a few seconds. Once connected, the detector appears in the app and automatically performs a self-test. You'll instantly receive a self-test notification. Everything is ready, the detector is now active and connected. The PNI Safehouse HS281 carbon monoxide detector quickly identifies dangerous gas levels and sends instant alerts through the Tuya Smart app. It features an automatic self-test, a reset button, and a compact design that fits perfectly into any home. Smart protection, always connected. Choose the safety provided by the PNI Safehouse HS281.